This is Bing Ching from Carnegie Mellon University. In this work, we introduce off-policy evaluation as a prerequisite for real-world reinforcement learning in building control. In our prior work, we demonstrated that reinforcement learning agents pre-trained with imitation learning could match the performance of existing controllers, enabling real-world deployment of such agents. However, it's less clear how well a pre-trained agent will perform based on imitation loss alone. This motivates us to incorporate off-policy evaluation, OPE, into our framework. OPE is the problem of estimating a policy's performance without running it on the actual system. While there are many existing OPE methods, the characteristic of building operational data presents challenges. Come to our talk to learn what is an appropriate method for building control applications.